In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play King Legacy on Roblox. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to find and play King Legacy. On Roblox, you will be able to play it on consoles, PC, or mobile. For this video, I am recording this process on PC, but like I said, you will be able to do it on any platform. So all that you have to do is use the search function and look for King Legacy. Once you look through the experiences, you will be able to find it here, usually the first result that pops up. So select King's Legacy and you will be able to join and start playing. You can see that it is the official experience by the fact that it has 3 billion visits and 90% of likes. So just go ahead and join. Now, this is going to take a while to load, so just give it time. It is going to load all the data, and finally, once it is done loading, you will be able to play through the entirety of King Legacy. You will be able to access your inventory, go over to the menu, see your attributes, level up, get quests, and so on. This is a very well-made experience, and there is a lot to do in here. So once you join, you will be able to play. If you are on keyboard and mouse, you can use Shift to enable or disable Shift Lock, Control to walk or sprint, and once you walk up to any of the NPCs, you can interact with them by clicking on them. Afterwards, choose the options and you will be able to get it done. You can go over here to the menu to browse through your stats, inventory, see your allies, and so on. There is a lot to do, and for this video, I'm not going to do a beginner's guide. Since there is a lot to go over, I recommend that you look through one of those on your own time, but you will be able to start playing right away as soon as you join. You can interact with the NPCs and get instructions on what to do next. You will be able to fight and defeat enemies to level up, and eventually you will be able to go over to other islands by purchasing a boat and setting sail. I hope I was able to help you on how to play King Legacy on Roblox. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.